Sometimes we want to enjoy our favorite Apple Music tracks on different devices, or maybe on an offline player. But the problem is that not every device supports the same audio formats. So sometimes your favorite songs end up being locked inside one app, which can be a little frustrating. So today, I want to show you a simple yet powerful tool, ViWizard Apple Music Converter. It can convert and download your Apple Music tracks, iTunes uploads, and other streaming music into widely supported audio formats. What makes this tool especially useful is that it doesn't just convert the music, it also maintains the original sound quality. On top of that, it preserves important details like the artist's name, album title, and even the album artwork, so your music library stays clean and well organized. Another great feature is batch conversion. This means you can convert multiple songs at the same time, which saves a lot of time if you have a large playlist. Once the conversion is finished, your music files can be played on many different devices and media players that support standard audio formats. So overall, it just gives you much more flexibility in how and where you listen to your music. Now let me quickly show you how it works. First, download ViWizard Apple Music Converter from the link provided in the video description. Now, open ViWizard Apple Music Converter and sign in using your music account. Next, set the audio format for your converted songs. To do that, go to the ViWizard Apple Music Converter menu and select Preferences, then open the Conversion tab. From the Output Format drop-down menu, choose your preferred audio format. If you want, you can also adjust other settings, such as the sample rate or bit depth for your converted songs. After that, click OK. Now, search for your favorite song. You can scroll through the songs or simply use the search bar to quickly find your favorite song or singer. This is the fastest and easiest way to find the music you want. Once you find the song, just drag it to the plus music icon and click Add to List. Next, go to the Converting section and click the Convert button. The software also supports up to 20 times faster conversion speed on both macOS and Windows, which makes the whole process very quick. Within seconds, your song will be converted into your preferred format and will be ready to play on different devices. This software can also convert an entire playlist or multiple songs with just one click. Let me show you how. First, select the playlist you want to convert, then click the plus music icon. This will load all the songs from that playlist. Now it's up to you. You can convert all the songs or deselect them and choose only the ones you want. After selecting the songs, click Add to List. Then go to the Converting section and convert them with a single click. Super easy. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite songs offline or play them on other devices anytime you want. Just a quick note, this software is intended for personal use only, so always make sure you respect the terms and policies of your music service. Another great thing is compatibility. It works on older macOS versions, starting from macOS High Sierra all the way to the latest macOS Tahoe. And if you are using Windows, it supports Windows 7 through Windows 11. So whether you are using an older device or a newer system, this software should work perfectly for you. If you'd like to learn more or download the software, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.